takeaways, I would like to introduce it here. Like I am from Department of EC only, assistant professor in my department. So the first key is like I want to address here. Like we are talking about the state of harmony, and definitely who is the responsible to bring the state of harmony in our societies. Like here we are talking like sir is delivering the sessions, madam is delivering the sessions. So definitely we know that what is the state of harmony and how can we bring in our society. But I'm going to talk something out of the box, that how can we bring this state of harmony on our planet. So like let me give an example. At least I think from as the UN if you will see that almost there are 190 plus countries are there. But definitely out of 190 plus countries, only few countries can be recognized, like maybe the maximum 20, 30 or maximum 50 countries can be recognized. Really those who matter, on this planet, who can bring the state of harmony. So out of that, like I'm, giving the some example, like there is a country, the kingdom of the Denmark, and the part is one Greenland. So Greenland is also one of the country. And do you know the population? So population is almost equivalent to the population of our SRM Katankulakuru campus. So that is also the exist. So all the peoples in that Greenland all are in the state of the harmony. But what is the problem? Now problem is that another foreign country who wants to acquire the land of the Greenland due to various reasons. So now because of this, now what will happen? The peoples of the Greenland may be in this harmony. So now who is the responsible to bring this state of harmony in that particular country or on this planet? So I can see in the future that those who are the superpowers like US and Russia, definitely they do not have the capability to bring the state of harmony on this planet. Then who can bring actually? So people, like if you are teaching us, definitely we have the capability to bring the state of harmony, because we are the persons who is talking about the values. We means as an Indian, so Indians are only talking about the the values. So definitely I can look into the future after, definitely it may take 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. We will be the superpower and who will control the universe, not only planet, universe, and we will bring the actual state of harmony on this planet. So this is my belief. And some examples like I can give you, like today is our Republic Day, and the Ursula von der Leyen is here. Who is that? Ursula von der Leyen is the chief of the European Union, and who is that? What is this European Union? Who ruled us for at least 200 years, 200 plus years. Still, they are feeling happy to make a deal with Indians. Why is it so? Because we have the capability. We have the potential, we have the values as well, not only the military power, not only the economic power, we are having the values. We know what is the meaning of the values, and only if you will feel safe under the umbrella, if you have the intention to live under that umbrella. So we should keep on talking about the values. We will bring the state of harmony on this planet. Thank you, Will. Thank you.